Well, my Model A is ready for towing to Joe Flints' place, a member of the club who has offered to repair my Model A. Here comes Evergreen Towing now. All right, we're getting the bed out. Tyler's gonna do the towing here. What's the best part to hook this up to?
Probably that big piece of metal right there, that axle.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best way to go on these ones.
I still have it in gear and on the
Yeah,
brake
that's
on.
okay for now, buddy.
So that way it won't roll over on us.
Yeah, we don't want that either. I like my job yet.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just pull that now a little bit. Get that line a little tight.
So now should I take it out of gear? And
yeah, whenever you're ready.
put it in neutral. Ready to go. Don't worry, baby. Ooh. Okay. Just shift it a little bit. I did haul this once when my dad gave it to me from Anacortes.
Oh, you did?
On a U-Haul pickup and a car carrier.
Oh, that's cool. Man.
I really appreciate the effort he's going here to secure my 1931 Ford Model A pickup. My dad would be proud too. It's kind of sad to have to take it to get some repairs, but at the same time, we got an expert team that's going to help me out. My dad gave this to me several years before he passed, and
Oh, that's cool.
he said, as long as I keep it in a garage and maintain it.
Yeah.
Well, Dad, I'm doing the best I can.
That's all a guy can do, right?
Yep. So I climbed in, put the brake on, and put it in gear as requested by Tyler, and now there she goes. Slick. Going on up the hill. Bouncy, bouncy. This is really testing the suspension of the Model A. Here we are. Made it. Tyler did a great job loading this thing up.
That's how they adjust the caster with those. So the best way to do it is just grab it on the bumper. The bumper's bumper's hooked right to the frame. You know, put a rag or something so it doesn't scratch it.
Right.
Bumper's the best way to tow them up onto one of these.
Do you think it's okay?
Oh yeah, it doesn't look bent or anything, so you were careful. It's okay.
Yeah, I tried to go easy and slow and
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
well, I didn't know you could pull onto that bumper. That's why I was like, oh.
Yeah. Bumpers.
The bumper's the best way?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I learned something, so
I did too.
I didn't know.
I didn't know to tell you.
glad there ain't nothing wrong.
You can let it down up there and do that there.
Coming down. All right, temporary landing zone for Model A. Nice slow release of the Model A to ground. Very nicely done. Evergreen Towing, folks, in Sequim, Washington. They're the best.
Damn, I did not know that. Okay.
I didn't. Yeah, the bumper is the place to tow it because the axle is malleable. But given the gentleness and the short trip, we're okay here.
People will tow these things, you know, behind the truck,
Yeah.
and they get jerked and put on the brakes and jerk.
Oh yeah,
again,
then
and
that will
pretty
ruin it.
soon your front axle don't have any alignment anymore.
Well, I got Tyler's driving on video, so we know how good he was.
I did my best, man.
Yeah.